When to start looking when you're approaching roundabouts. If this is you and you're coming to a roundabout, this is roughly where you should start to look. At about 20 meters before the actual roundabout, okay? Anticipating early will make your job a lot easier. It's very similar as if you say play basketball and somebody throws the ball at you. If you don't anticipate the flight of that ball, it's very likely that you're not going to be able to catch it. Apparently, a lot of assessors mark candidates for not observing on approach. They would be too late, and once they get too close to the roundabout and then start to check, it's already too late. They held the traffic from behind where they could have gone through the roundabout without waiting for traffic. Sometimes people fear if they check too early, their path will be affected, they're going to start to swerve. But we're not asking people to fixate their eyes on the direction where they're checking. So once you check, you can still look in front of you and then on approach, check it a few more times, and the last check should be literally when you got about 2 to 3 meters before the roundabout, just about there somewhere. So if you notice that there's cars coming, either from the right hand side or opposite direction, potentially turning that way, in which case you would have to give way to. So you will never ever, for as long as you drive, encounter the same identical situation. If you start to observe too late, you may potentially hold up the traffic that's coming from behind, and as a result you will lose a lot of points for flow in your driving assessment. So usually when you've got a good visibility to the right hand side and the opposite direction, if there's traffic coming from the opposite direction, you should start looking when you're approaching roundabout rather than when you get to the roundabout. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.